As we head into winter, the Montana Weather Service Office, the Montana Red Cross, Montana Department of Transportation, and the Ready Montana program want to remind you of some things before you head out and travel. Number one, always check the forecast before you go. Just because the road conditions might be good when you're leaving doesn't mean that 5, 6, 7, 8 hours later they're going to be okay as more weather comes into the area. So check those road reports and the forecast. File a flight plan. Let somebody know what route you're taking, when you're leaving, and what time you plan to get there. So if you don't arrive, someone's looking for you. And convoy. With all the sports activities in the winter, there's usually lots of groups of people traveling to the same destination. So find somebody you can travel with. It's always better if something happens to have another car nearby. And if you've looked at the forecast and the road conditions and you decide to go anyways, just leave earlier than normal. That way you give yourself enough time to get there without stressing about the road conditions. And always the best bet, if the weather is looking pretty bad, just stay home. To get the weather forecast, you can go to weather.gov is the weather service forecast. You can click anywhere on this map and get the Missoula, the Great Falls, the Billings, the Glasgow weather service offices. If we click in western Montana, we'll end up going to the Missoula weather service office page. And on all of our pages, we have a link, travel. Click on the link, and it will show you the forecast weather conditions across the area highways. This is every 6 hours. It goes out to 2 days, and it gives you a good idea of what you could be expecting as you're traveling across the state. You can see extreme, major, minor, none conditions, and in this case here that we've got, you can see central Montana is probably a good place to avoid. If you're traveling from Glasgow down to Livingston, you might want to go south to Miles City and over instead of through this central part of the state. Traveling in the wintertime, number one, always wear your seat belt. Keep your gas tank full, at least over half a tank on your drive. Take the better traveled roads and keep distance between yourself and other vehicles. And if you've got a tailgater on your vehicle, pull over. Don't stress about them being right on your tail. Just give them the space they think they need, and then you can continue on your way. One thing people don't think about is keeping your jacket on and even your gloves possibly when you're driving. If something were to happen and your car were to roll over, window shattered, at least you have a way to stay warm until help gets there. Don't use cruise control when you're traveling on snowy and icy roads. And practice getting out. It's a good way to be prepared for what would happen on icy roads, and if you have teenagers, take them somewhere where they can practice this as well. Practice almost makes perfect in this situation, but knowing what to do will definitely make you more comfortable when you do have to skid on ice. And our snowplow drivers, remember to give them some room. They need at least about 70 feet between the back of the snowplow to your vehicle, which is 4 car lengths, so that they can see you. Thankfully in Montana, most of our plow drivers will see the cars starting to stack up behind them and they pull over to let you get around. But don't crowd the plow. And lastly, if you need additional information, you can go to our websites that we have. Lots of great information for winter weather preparedness. And our goal is for you to be safe this winter. Thank you for listening.